Hey, y'all. Good day, good day, good day. This is day number 26 of the Change Challenge, and the topic for today is embrace the discomfort. Again, this is Tonetta Clay, your social worker coach. And of course, like I said, I want to welcome you to this video. I do want to let you know that there's a link in the description. If you're one who is still trying to work through your change challenge and trying to work through your change, work through your habits, trying to figure out who you are, those types of things, I put a free The Power of Journaling workshop along with the free 100 writing prompts to help you start thinking, get in think mode, and to find, like I said, and to start answering those questions to figure out more about who you are and how this change is going to affect your life. I guess I put it that way as well. So like I said, definitely make sure that you go pick that up today. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. Like I said, definitely just enjoy. And like I said, definitely learn about yourself as much as you can so that you can start speaking your truth. So let me go ahead and get into this video. Day number 26, the Change Challenge. Embrace the discomfort. I know a lot of times, of course, with my own self, when I've been through things, having different experiences, chaotic times and non-chaotic times, there was a lot of the times that, of course, I had to, because I had no idea what was on the other side of my decision. I had, like I said, I had to embrace the unknown. I guess I put it that way. The discomfort and the unknown. Yes, there's going to be some discomfort. The discomfort is coming from you not knowing and me not knowing what's on the other side of that decision I made and you're going to be making. Like I said, of course, the big decision to change anything in your life, like I said, is going to create some discomfort. Yes. You're going to be wondering what's going on. You may have some anxiety. You may have other things going on as well. You may be thinking all night long, can't sleep, that kind of thing, trying to figure out what's going on, what's going to happen, and all those types of things. But I'm just here to tell you, with any change, it's inevitable. It will happen. A lot of times when you have changes, especially when you're making those big changes that you have never made before in your life, and you're trying to figure out what's going to be happening, what's going on, all those types of things. And like I said, definitely, there's nothing wrong with that. But just know that the discomfort at some point will come. I just want to make sure that you know this so I can kind of calm your nerves as much as I can. I guess I put it that way. And just know that it's a normal part of change. Excuse me, like I said, sometimes there's nothing that you can do to stop it. I guess I put it that way. But like I said, the discomfort is coming from you not knowing what's going to happen once you get this change completed. I guess I put it that way. The fear of the unknown is definitely real. I have had that fear, of course, as well. A lot of folks, I'm sure, if everybody on this earth, I'm sure, have had that fear as well. We don't know when we're saying yes to something or we're saying no to something. We have no idea what's going to be on the other side of that coin. And like I said, definitely when you're making these kind of changes, that kind of mentality, I guess, may come. And like I said, you may start feeling discomfort. You may start feeling an uneasiness. Like, why did I make this change? Everybody's going up against me. Because some folks call it the devil, whatever you want to call it. There's haters, all types of things. Sometimes you're going to face a lot of those things. But just know that there's always good on the other side of that discomfort that you're having. Don't just stop because somebody's saying or keep telling you that you shouldn't be doing so-and-so, or why are you making these changes and everybody's coming against you and that kind of thing. Like I said, don't just stop there. Keep going. Like I've spoken in several of these videos telling you about some of my experiences and my lessons and my changes and what I went through and those types of things. I'm not saying it's going to happen to every single person because I don't know you all and I have no idea what you've been through in your life. But what I do know is that when you start trying to change some things about yourself, your environment, your situation, that there is going to be some resistance. And it could be from outside forces, outside people, I guess I put it that way as well, not agreeing with what you're doing. And of course, within yourself, it could be from yourself as well. Like I said, I know our mind, our body, our heart and soul, all that kind of stuff tries to keep us safe, y'all. But of course, from what I've understood and what I've pushed through, I know that outside of my comfort zone is where the actual change and the actual life begins to form and happen and growth happens. So like I said, definitely, if there's any discomfort that you're going through at this point in the game, just know that that's going to happen and it's okay. Just don't stop what you're doing because of that. Like I said, the discomfort is going to happen to a lot of us, if not all of us. We're scared of the unknown. We're tired of the resistance from other folks and other things going on. Some people call it the devil, whatever you want to call it, stepping into play. crazy things, the car break down, your water pipe bust, and you got to pay all this money towards that instead of putting it towards your goal. Those kind of things are going to come up. Just know that you're on the right path and that it's okay. Take care of your situation, of course, but like I said, definitely it's going to be okay. Just don't let those things that happen, that's showing up, that's trying to hold you back. Like I said, don't allow those things to hold you back. The discomfort is real, y'all. Sometimes, like I said, there's no way to stop those things. Just know that I told myself the same thing. I cannot stop. And even if I have to put it on pause for a few weeks or a few days until I get the money to get this car fixed or the pipe fixed or whatever it is, and then get back into it, then that's what you have to do. So I know times like that can be very stressful. I've been through times like that as well. I know those things can be stressful. I know those things can be like, oh my God, why did this happen? I'm trying to do good and all of a sudden here comes something else. I know those things can happen. It happens to me not all the time, but it has happened to me several times. More, actually, I'm sure more than my 10 fingers I got. I'm sure of that. But like I said, I did not allow those things to stop me. It may have been put on hold for a little bit until I got me and whatever it was, the situation, whatever it was together. Yes, it was put on hold, but like I said, I went right back into it. Like I said before, there's going to be all kind of opposition you're going to face, and that discomfort, like I said, is not going to feel good at all. Especially if you're one who was a yes girl like I was. Yes to everything, yes to everybody else instead of myself. My discomfort in that particular situation came from me telling people no and being okay with that. Yes, I was scared to death. Because I'm like, am I going to lose these friendships? And actually some of the ones I did actually. That I had friends 10, 15 years actually. Called ourselves family, sisters, whatever else. Lost those things because I kept saying no and saying yes to myself. Yes, it hurt. Yes, I cried. It's been like several years now. I'm over it now. But like I said, definitely, I just know that who's in my corner and who's not. Who's actually there for real and who's actually there not there for real. That's all that taught me. Thank God that I got that lesson. I guess I put it that way when I did. But like I said, it all came from me being uncomfortable saying the word no. But of course, I can say it now and be okay with it. Like I said in the beginning, I was very uncomfortable saying that. Because I was scared that I was going to lose these friendships and lose the love from these people and lose their support. Like I said, in that situation, I did. But there was other situations where I did not. But just know it can go either way. I guess I put it that way. Like I said, the discomfort will come in one shape or form or another. I just want you to know, like I said, again, I'm telling myself this and I'm telling you to not stop, regardless as to what discomfort or fears come up for you. Like I said, if you stop, you will never be able to complete the goal that you set out to do. I'm sure you're better than that because I'm better than that as well. Not to allow something else that's on the outside to, of course, stop me from completing my goal. And like I said, I definitely want to bring this message to y'all today because I know, like I said, with change comes a lot of different things coming up. A lot of fears, a lot of unknown things coming up, a lot of pushback from different people, places, and things. All those things can bring discomfort. And while they're bringing that discomfort, yes, you can stop for a second to get yourself together if it's affecting you that much. If not, keep on going. Like I said, you can take a break. This is not set in stone where you have to do this one day after the other, that kind of thing. If something's going on and you need to take a mental break or even a physical break or both, please do so. But just get back into it, y'all. I haven't taken a break for myself personally. But like I said, at times throughout my life and different experiences, I had to take a break. Especially when it came to, I know some of y'all may have heard the videos I've talked about how baking has helped me heal. I still bake to this day, actually, but several points throughout my life, I had to take a stop break. Life was happening, relationships were breaking up, all types of things, and I had to just say, quit for right now. I'll come back to it later. And that probably was the best decision I made, even though I didn't think that it was, but it's okay. But like I said, I think it was the best decision that I've made so far. One of the decisions that I made so far, because right now my baking business is doing well. I've learned a whole lot of things over the years about business, baking, and all that type of stuff when it comes to the creative businesses. And if I would have stopped back then and allowed those relationships that's breaking up or that life to, of course, affect me where I will not start back up baking again, I will never have another stream of income and possibly an income that can, of course, fire me from my job. I guess I put it that way as well. Like I said, yes, I'm sure to come, but like I said, definitely, like I said, if I would have stopped, I would have never have came. I mean, if I would have stopped, I would have never accomplished this goal to, of course, to be starting and have the business down here in Arizona. And everybody loving what I make. I would have never got those chances to, of course, to perfect those recipes and that type of thing. So like I said, I had to get back into it, even though I took a break, and I'm telling y'all the same thing. If you have to take a break, that's okay. Just know that the discomfort will come, but don't allow that discomfort to keep you from accomplishing your goal. That's the main thing I want you to understand. Now, like I said, I'm telling myself as well in this video. Regardless as to what's going on, do not stop. Unless you have to mentally or physically for some type of reason. But get back into it, y'all. Bounce back and get back into it. So with that, again, I'm going to say thank y'all for tuning in. This is Tonetta Clay, your social worker coach. Of course, this is day number 26 of the Change Challenge. Embrace the discomfort. That was the topic of today, y'all. Bouncing back is my ending message. I guess I put it that way. But I do want to, of course, again, let y'all know that you can pick up the Power of Journaling workshop with the 100 free writing prompts. All of it's free for y'all to pick it up with the link in the description of this video. That will help you, of course, like I said, understand how journaling is powerful, what it can do for you in your life. Because, of course, I'm telling my story in there as well. Telling y'all what it did for me and that kind of thing, and what it can possibly do for you as well. And I created 100 free journaling prompts, writing prompts, especially for those who love journaling but scared to dive deep, or for those who, of course, don't like journaling at all but want to get into it and that kind of thing and want to learn how to do it a better way. I guess I put it that way. So like I said, definitely go ahead and pick those things up. It's in the link in the description of the video. So peace out, y'all. Like I said, this is Tonetta Clay, your social worker coach, signing off. I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all, we got, 4 more days to go, y'all. So peace out.